Let's look at traditional ICE vehicles first. The standard 12V battery under the hood is an SLI battery, starting, lighting, and ignition. In the grand scheme of energy storage, this little guy is just the spark that ignites the flame. It tips the scale at only 30 to 50 pounds. Its entire mission in life? Get the motor running, power the dashboard, and then immediately pass the torch to the alternator. Once you're cruising, it's just chilling. So yeah, it doesn't need a massive capacity, and there's no reason for it to heavy up. But what about hybrids? Whether it's an HEV or a PHEV, the engineering shifts. To achieve that killer fuel efficiency, the manufacturer has to integrate an electric motor alongside the traditional ICE engine. Consequently, the battery pack weight surges, clocking in anywhere between 100 and 300 pounds. To put that into perspective, that's the equivalent of carrying 2 jumbo luggage bags in your trunk at all times. It's the ultimate compromise between range and weight. Now let's look at the real heavy hitters. Full electric vehicles. For EVs, the battery pack is the absolute heart of the powertrain. A typical EV battery starts anywhere from 400 to 1,200 pounds. In fact, some long-range Tesla models feature battery packs pushing past 1,700 pounds, nearly 800 kilograms. Why is the weight so significant? It's not just the weight of the lithium-ion cells themselves. To ensure safety and structural integrity, manufacturers must include robust anti-collision enclosures, safety vents, high-voltage wiring harnesses, and a sophisticated thermal management liquid cooling system to prevent thermal runaway. It's a massive engineering marvel under your feet. At the end of the day, how much a car battery weighs comes down to 3 things: its design, its vehicle class, and its chemistry. If you're driving a standard gas-powered passenger car, you're looking at a manageable 30 to 50 pounds. But if you're stepping into the modern world of hybrids and pure EVs, you're dealing with highly engineered powerhouses that scale anywhere from hundreds to well over 1,000 pounds just to deliver that real-world range we all crave. Here is the takeaway. Whether you're sourcing a single DIY replacement or managing a massive commercial fleet, never look at battery weight in a vacuum. It is a balancing act. To get the absolute best vehicle efficiency, safety, and lifespan, you need to pair optimized cell weights with reliable, high-speed charging infrastructure. The right battery is only as good as the charger that feeds it.